All right, so supposedly doing the path back and then forth should take me 20 minutes according to Google. Let's aim for, to be honest, let's aim for 10. Let's see if I can get to the beginning and then the end in less than 10 minutes. Let's get going. Okay, this is where I am, right here. I just want to go up to here, around, and then just come back in 10 minutes. Let's start the timer. 3, 2, 1, start. I think something just fell out of my bike. You know what? Whatever. Cool. Well, I lost all my speed now. Damn, that is a large ass hill. I have to go down that at the end. Fast as my bike's old ass brakes will handle it. There is a tree in the way, so I gotta go around that somehow. Oh whoa, that's a deer. That's cool. You can tell no one's maintained this at all. By the way, I can't get up this at all for the life of me. There we go. Oh god damn it, I'm walking it. That tree is gonna be the death of me. Make a little shortcut. Right through here. Around we go. Over the big ass branch. God damn. Really working on my leg muscles here. Come on. Oh my god. Alright, this looks like it's the least of that for a moment. Where am I going? Here. Fun. I just lost my bike lock. I'm gonna need to put these away better next time. I'm not making it out of here in 10 minutes, I'm calling that. Oh my god. I'm just putting the bike lock down right there by that tree. Cannot forget it. Actually, we're reaching the end, I think. This is it. Here's my bike lock. Are we calling it? How many more times do you think it's gonna completely fall off of my bike while I'm trying to speedrun this? Maybe that's more secure? I don't know. Let's go. All right, down we go. Here's the tree that's in the way again. How am I gonna get past it? Can I go through here? It looks like I can, but I'm gonna get pricked a lot. Ow. Oh geez. This is the biggest hill I've ever gone down. No, it's not. But it is in the wild. I might be cooked. Let's find out. Whoa! Oh no, my lock fell out. Whoa! All right, I have to sprint back and get it. Please don't fall out again. How's my time looking? Oops, I accidentally stopped it for a second. Oh, I stopped it at 13 seconds? Well, I guess I have to look at the footage and find out how long it was. Well, I better keep going fast then. Dang. And time. I don't know how long that took. So I guess I have to look at the footage. We'll find out when I get back home.